Hi guys. Number one, you're too emotional/sensitive. Women are emotional creatures. So saying that she's too emotional is like telling a woman that her feelings don't matter and that she's not smart enough to think rationally. Number two is calm down. This statement can come across as extremely dismissive and condescending. When a woman is expressing her emotions, concerns, or frustrations, saying calm down can make her feel like that her feelings are being trivialized or invalidated. Number three is, did you gain weight? There's a fine line between being supportive because you actually want her to lose weight versus criticism. Women know when they gain weight because they're heavily scrutinized for it. The last person they want to hear it from is their man. Number four is, you're overreacting. This one is just like telling her to calm down. Number five is, are you on your period? This statement implies that a woman's emotions are solely tied to her hormonal changes, which is not entirely wrong, but it still can come off as disrespectful. Number six is, you're too old for that. This can come across as highly judgmental. Number seven is, well, my ex used to. This one is a big one. Comparing anyone to past relationships is beyond disrespectful. Keep the history in the past. They're your ex for a reason. Focus on the woman that you're with now. No one likes being compared to an ex. Number eight is, you should be more feminine. So look, guys, telling a woman to be more feminine usually will backfire greatly because it usually results in her becoming extremely defensive, and the opposite effect will happen. This is definitely not the way to go about it. Number nine is, how many men have you slept with? Look, this is a useless and offensive question because one, you will never get an honest answer because there's no way to fact check it. Two, it's extremely intrusive and invasive. And number 10, you know better than that. This statement is condescending because it's like you're fussing at a child who didn't make the right choice. All right, guys, so there's the 10 things to avoid saying to a woman. So until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.